So this fragrance here was actually my uncle's signature scent back in the 90s. And he unfortunately passed away when I was very, very young. So I probably have no memory associated with this fragrance whatsoever, but just the thought of this being his signature fragrance of choice, I'm very excited to unbox this one and get my nose on it for the first time, because like I said, I have no memory associated with it. And the fragrance I'm speaking about is Nautica's Classic. So let's go ahead and dive into this one. Hey, what's going on guys? Hunter here and welcome back to my channel. If you are a return subscriber, glad to have you here. And if you are new, what I do is I make fragrance related content. So if you love fragrances, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. And also make sure to hit that bell button so you don't miss any future fragrance videos from me. But as you guys can tell by the intro, yeah, we're gonna be doing a unboxing and first impression of Nautica Classic. Now this fragrance used to be called Nautica, but they just recently renamed it to Nautica Classic since they have other flankers of this particular fragrance that we're going to be speaking about. But this is the original that was launched back in 1992. So it is a fairly classic fragrance, obviously hence the name. But let's go ahead and look at the packaging here. As you can tell, the front you have the Nautica Classic with the Nautica logo. This is a eau de toilette concentration, and I did get it in the 100 ml bottle. On top, the logo as well. Nothing on the sides, and just your ingredients on the back. And then on the bottom, you do of course have your barcode and batch code to authenticate your product and see when your product was produced. And also I got that nice price tag right there of $14.99. And I actually picked this one up at Burlington. It was the last one there, and obviously from the intro, I had to pick it up. My mother told me that this was my uncle's signature scent, so which intrigued me obviously to get it and add it to the collection. But yeah, let's go ahead and open up this cellophane here. Okay. Now, like I said, I have no memory of this fragrance. I do not have any idea what it smells like, so this will be a genuine first impression of it. All right, let's pop the top there. And here is the bottle, sits in there like so. Wow, that's actually a pretty nice looking juice color. It's like a tealish, greenish, blue kind of color there. It looks really aquatic and like summery from the vibe I'm getting from it right off the bat. And this bottle is very different. It's quite unique. So of course on the front you do have Nautica going up and down right there. And then on the bottom you do of course have your sticker with your batch code as well. And the batch code, if any of you guys are wondering, it's actually upside down. It's 9031. Now I'm assuming this has obviously been reformulated since the early 90s, and especially when they changed the name of it. So hopefully they didn't obviously weaken it or make it less concentrated and just ruin the fragrance altogether. And wow, that is the first time I've ever seen an atomizer like that. It's actually a see-through, the same color as the juice. So that's actually pretty sweet, to be honest with you. Matches the color of the juice there. And the cap, I mean, it is a cheap, it's like a cheap plastic cap, and very, very light. And it does not click into place. It's held on by friction, but as you can see, very, very snug. It's always nice. All right, I don't smell anything out of the cap, which is obviously a good sign. It's never been sprayed or used or leaked or anything like that. You always want to check for that. But I'm not going to spray this on my skin today. I'm going to use a scent strip because I do have a fragrance on today, so I don't want to interfere with that. But let's go ahead and test out this atomizer here, see how good it is. All right, 3 pumps. Whoa, let's get another one of those. Wow, that's a very good atomizer. I'm actually very shocked. Okay, let's see what we get from a Nautica Classic. I did pick it up in there already. Wow. Okay. Kind of what I expected, but it is quite different. All right, right off the bat, I'm getting a very soapy, very clean vibe from this one. Wow, but it also has a very nice masculine touch to it, being such a clean, soapy fragrance. It does kind of get that 90s vibe as well. You can tell it wasn't just released in 2021. It does have that classic vibe to it, which isn't a bad thing at all. I know like fragrances back in the 90s, like especially men's fragrances, came across very masculine, which I like, of course, in my fragrances, but this one does have that masculine vibe to it. But I am getting, I believe what's coming across soapy and clean is actually kind of smells like, I'm assuming that's actually aldehydes, which is shocking. That's giving it that vibe, because usually you find like aldehydes in like, a lot of Chanel's use aldehydes. Just very bright, like uplifting, clean, fresh, laundry detergent somewhat kind of, but very citrus as well. I'm getting, I believe I'm actually picking up on some bergamot. There's like a strong, I believe, lime in there. This is nice though. I actually really like this. I'm hoping this one actually performs pretty good because, as we all know, aquatic or like citrus fragrances, I mean, those clean, soapy fragrances don't perform the best, but this one here, I mean, this was definitely a good choice from my uncle for a signature scent. This is good, really good. And I don't think this one actually gets talked about that much in the community. I know, I forget the name of it. The other one, like the flanker to this, I don't know if it's like called Blue or something like that. It's like a bluer bottle. But this one is good, especially for being able to pick this one up at the discounters for like 15 bucks. That's a steal. Yeah, I'm just getting, like I said, clean, soapy, citrus vibes from this one. But done in like, there's a masculine like touch to this. It's not like, I don't know. It's maybe a tiny bit woody. That's giving it that, which is a nice combination, to be honest. Like you get that clean citrus vibe alongside like a woody touch to it that brings out the masculinity in this fragrance. But it's kind of like creamy. That might even be sandalwood. Wow, this is good. I'm gonna have to obviously wear this one, test it out. What I would say as far as age groups go, right off the bat, from the first impression and the opening of this fragrance, obviously I don't know how dry it's down, but the opening, I would say anyone can wear this. A teenager, like a more mature gentleman. Yeah, this one is across all boards as far as age groups go. Very, very versatile. You can wear this one. I mean, as far as like, you can wear this one to any occasion. Casual, like going for a run or going to the gym, this would be perfect for. Even formal as well. I don't know, just something about it, just very versatile and clean. Very crowd pleasing also. I don't see anyone actually disliking this fragrance or hating it. This is a very crowd pleasing kind of fragrance here. Now, as far as seasons go with this one, so it's not really getting that aquatic touch. It's just very citrus and bright. I mean, obviously this is gonna be more of a warmer like climate fragrance. Obviously spring and summer. Maybe not winter because it is very citrusy in the opening, but possibly fall. Possibly, maybe not, but definitely spring and summer, and even in like the spring and summer evenings when it gets down to like maybe 60, 50 degrees, this would be perfect for it. Yeah, wow. And this is, Untitled, right? Okay. Yeah, I'm just hoping this one performs. If it does, this will be a great, great fragrance. And I'll definitely be wearing this one, especially since here in Ohio, we're heading into spring. It is starting to warm up. Today's actually the first day it's close to 70 degrees. It's like 67 degrees right now, which is amazing, because yesterday here in Ohio was like, it was like 20 or 30 degrees outside, which is unbelievable. It changes so much here. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be wearing this one. Hopefully this week I'll try to test this one out. But yeah, from the first impression and unboxing, this one is a great fragrance, guys. If you're looking for just a clean, versatile fragrance for fairly cheap, definitely check out Nautica Classic. I don't see probably a lot of people wearing this one since, like I said, it's not really talked about in the community for some reason, but yeah, great fragrance. I'm excited to test that one out more. But if you did enjoy the first impression and unboxing, give it a big like, subscribe down below for more videos in the future, and I'll see all you guys in the next upload. Take care, everybody.